Hey, I am Lady Terry B. Jones, the creator of the Church Girl Bible True board game. And on tonight, I'm here to answer a question. And I'm called Hey Chickie by my grandkids. And so the question tonight is like, hey, Chickie, what if you were a teenager in 2026? What would you do considering that you had six streams of income as a teenager? Now, that was a long time ago, but I'm going to share with you exactly what I would do now in 2026 if I wanted to have six streams of income. Okay. And so hopefully you guys are ready. I'm not sure if you're parents of teenagers listening here on tonight, or you are a teenager or you know someone, okay? Because guess what? This is May and the summer is right around the corner, and these teenagers need to do something, okay? Instead of just sitting around the house playing games, right? And so this is what I would do if I was a teenager right now, okay? I'm not going to talk about the six different ways I made income as a teenager, and it all started with a problem, okay? And so that may be your situation as well. But hey, I'm going to share with you. I didn't wait for permission, okay, to do what I did. And I wouldn't wait until I felt ready, okay, because I had a situation. And I definitely wouldn't rely on just one way to make money, especially in the 2026. There are so many ways that you can earn some extra income, right? And so I will start with one simple question, all right? What problem do people around you need solved? And that is where you build from. The problem that I have is that I went to school, I'm in eighth grade. My teacher, she tells me that I can no longer turn in my homework handwritten because she couldn't understand my handwriting. Okay. So I had to learn how to type really fast. But that was my one problem. And I turned that into six different streams of income. And surely now, as of today, you can do the same thing with a problem that you are experiencing. Okay. And so that's where I will build from. So I'm going to share with you six different streams of income if I was a teenager now. Okay. I'm already utilizing these concepts still right now, even though I'm not a teenager anymore, but you can too. All right. And so the first one I'm going to share with you, comment number one below, it is digital products. Okay. You can create low cost digital products or high profit digital products. All right. And guess what you can use? Something that is free. Can somebody say free in the comments? All right. So, what is free is Canva. All right. If you do not have Canva, you're not familiar with Canva, you can get Canva, go to canva.com and you can sign up for free. Okay. And once you sign up, and they have lots of tutorials right there on the home screen, and you can learn. Oh, of course, you can go to YouTube University, right? And learn how to make simple journals, planners, activity books, Bible trivia games. You guys know that's what I do. I make Bible trivia games. And so people are already searching for solutions to their problems, right? And so I took the problem that I had and turned it into money. And so now you can actually turn a product into money, okay? Using Canva, creating different things that are needed. Right now, the students are graduating. Mother's Day is coming up. You have different holidays, especially with the summer. The kids need activity books, something to do. So there are so many things you can create, all right, using Canva. That's number one. That is stream number one. Let's look at stream number two to make some income, all right? Which is content creation. Like right now, I'm on YouTube, okay? So you can create YouTube videos. You guys watch YouTube videos like every day, right? And or you can make short form videos. And if you're not necessarily watching shorts on YouTube, I know you're looking at TikTok or Instagram Reels, okay? And so you can actually utilize those concepts to earn money because there are businesses that need videos of their products and services. And so you could be the go-to person to create those videos for them and earn some income, right? And so, and guess what? Even if you know how to utilize these concepts, how to create videos and on these different platforms, you can even get paid by teaching. That's what I do. I teach what I know, and you can get paid. That's another stream of income within here. Okay. So creating content, which is video content. All right. You want to talk about number three? Put a three in the comment. Somebody put a three in the comment, which is print on demand products. Okay. We all wear them. They are t-shirts. Is the summer is coming, there are family reunions. And what do people need? They need t-shirts with the family name on it. Okay. Funerals. People wear t-shirts in memory of their loved ones. Okay. You can also create notebooks because guess what? The summer is only a couple of months, and then it'll be time for the kids to go back to school. So notebooks, okay, you start preparing for that. All right. You can basically take a look at like phone cases, pillows. You guys may have noticed that I make kneeling prayer pillows. So there's so many print on demand products that you can actually make using Canva. Okay. And then you can upload those to the different platforms to get them printed. You don't have to pay for them to print. Okay. You just take the orders and you go ahead on and you actually make your product, whatever that product is, and then put it out there. You share it wherever the people are hanging out that want these shirts and things. And then they just can go ahead on and order and you get the money. You get paid for that. All right. Let's look at number three. No, that was number three. Number four. Let's look at number four. Number four. Okay. Which is affiliate marketing. Okay. Now, you can, if you don't want to actually create these journals, these planners, you can go to Amazon and you can actually become an affiliate of that. You can go to the different platforms that is depending on what space you're in. Okay. So if you are more in a techie space, you can actually become an affiliate of JVZoo. You can become affiliates of people who actually create journals and planners and stuff, and they constantly send out emails that you know all the really cool products they created, and you can promote them. So you don't even have to create the products yourself. All right. If you're like, you know what, child, I ain't got time to be creating all this stuff, you can actually find those who have affiliate programs. And what you do is you sign up for to become an affiliate. And depending on what product you're selling, you know, you can make a lot of money as an affiliate. Okay. Let's talk about, oh, then with affiliate, guess what? The thing that is definitely a great tool is email marketing. Okay. And so that is how you will build that know, like, and trust with people so that they can purchase the different products and services that you have. All right. That's a part of these income stream. And guess what? So you can like double dip, so you'll be making money as you send emails out about your products and service for people to buy, but also you can offer those services to other businesses that doesn't have time, you know, to create emails to add to their autoresponder. So you can actually be the person to do all of that for a business. Okay. Multiple streams of income. Let's look at number five. Number five. And you can do service-based income. Like I just said, you can be the person that will create the emails for a particular business that really don't have time to send out their specials, their discounts, their coupons, letting their people know about new products they've added to their product line. Okay, and so, and of course, social media is this that is needed for businesses to get their product and service in front of those who need it, want it, and desire it. Okay, and so definitely businesses will pay you to do those types of things that they don't have time to do because they're actually running their business. Okay, number six. Let's look at number six. Six streams of income is what we're talking about on today. Number six is community-based income. Okay. And what I mean by that, you can host a workshop. Okay. You can do a challenge where if you are great, like I said, with Canva creating things, you can actually come up with a workshop where you have people that sign up and pay you so that they can create an activity book. So, in great example is I did a book collaboration with some youth, and they wrote a book together. And what we did is we created an activity book. And so you can actually have those who are authors that may not have an activity book and do a workshop where you will have them to come and create a activity book for their actual book that is already on Amazon and they just want to get more sales. Okay, and so that activity book will be their the way for them to get more visibility and more sales of their book. Okay. Did you guys like all six of those, right? And so that's basically what I would do in 2026. And so if you go to my website and you're like, I'm not quite sure what, problem that I'm able to solve, well, guess what? I have on my website a 7-layer recipe to turn problems into purpose that generate passive income. And if you go there to my website, Terry is books, BOOKS Terry, TERRI, Jones.com. You go there and you download that checklist and you can get started as soon as you do that, right? Because it's going to let you know how to determine what problem you have and then how to solve it. And that thing that you come up with, okay, based on that one problem, you come up with that one solution based on what your creativity is, and you will generate some income. Okay. And so go ahead on to my website, books.terrybjones.com. You can click on the link in the description. And I would love for you to like, subscribe, and share this video. All right. And let me know in the comments if you want me to have a workshop where we can go into more depth once you download the actual 7-layer recipe and it's like, okay, still I need a little help here. Okay, we can do that. All right. And so in the meantime, I want you to give someone a hug, show someone a smile, and let someone know that Jesus loved them and you do too. And definitely, I want you to think about getting this board game in your arsenal. It's great for families, gatherings, church gatherings, youth groups, and it's just a fun time where you are dialoguing around the word in a fun, interactive way. And it's just like a really cool concept because guess what? You, as the player of this game, is the pastor of a church. Now, if you ever want to be a pastor, this is your opportunity, okay? And so you can go to my website, terrybjones.com, and get more details on this game, and go ahead on and get your copy of it. All right. And so in the meantime, I hope that you can take a look at some of my other videos on my playlist, and go ahead on and look at some of the Bible trivia that I already have out there. Okay. And so have a wonderful evening. And I'll see you tomorrow with some Bible trivia and bring you some more ideas for you as someone looking to make some extra income, and or you are a teenager and you just want to get started in this space of earning some money, because guess what? You have creativity. We all have God's, all God's people have creativity. All right. Bye bye.